Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mariam Class and today I want to talk about the topic drug or poison killer. First of all, I will tell you what are basically drugs. A drug is a substance with the exception of food and water, which, when taken into the body, changes the body's function physically. Drugs are of many types, for example, alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, cannabis, ecstasy, urine, and cocaine. Now I will tell you what are the uses of drugs. When a drug is administered to a living organism, it produces a biological effect. A pharmaceutical drug is also called medicine. A medicine is a chemical substance used to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose a disease. The use of drugs can be through injection, smoking, ingestion, and inhalation. Illegal drugs are harmful as it can damage our immune system, including circulatory system and liver failure. Illegal drugs are particularly bad for kids or teens whose bodies is still growing. Illegal drugs can damage our brain, heart, and other important organs. Cocaine drug can cause heart attacks. So, drugs take your life away and it can destroy families. So, please say no to drugs. Thank you.